Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're visiting one of my favourite shops. I honestly think it's so underrated, and that is Matalan. I'm checking out their brand new autumn collection and it is packed with those cosy cute little bits we all love this time of year. Think glowing ceramic pumpkins, the coziest autumn cushions I've ever seen, and probably the best collection of ceramics I've spotted so far. So let's get straight into it and I'll show you what Matalan has to offer this season.
I wonder how come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder.
I spotted these woven placemats with a matching coaster, and it's the first time I've seen the mini matching coasters. It's a lovely set, but a table of 6 works out at £42. Bit much? What do you think?
Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder.
These are seasonal ceramic chopping boards, actually made of glass, and they're really heavy. They come in different designs like pears and pumpkins, and I've never seen anything like this before. Is this something you've used or snapped up? Would you buy a seasonal one? Let me know in the comments, but I've never seen anything like this before.
Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.
This year Matalan are definitely upping their game with their ceramics. They've got loads of light up pieces. Now, I'm not normally a fan. I'll turn them on once and the battery's gone, but I was actually really impressed. They look so nice, and it's the sort of thing you could pack away and bring out every autumn. You can always rely on Matalan for a fantastic selection of seasonal cushions, and I'm a bit of a fan of autumn cushions, and these were really nice. Loads of different styles, shapes and textures, all pretty affordable as well, from about £12 to £20. I particularly loved a green one that had really beautiful detail all over it, and honestly, there were so many. You're definitely going to find one that fits your decor here. tempted with this pumpkin. I think this is the nicest thing I've seen. It's quite big, £12, but I don't think I need another pumpkin. But if you are looking for something classic, really like that. And I've just spotted they've got these. I'm seeing these everywhere. These are the LED light up mushrooms. Most stores have got them, battery powered, and they've got them for £10. It's a pretty nice selection. Now every shop has got this section and I really like these. I bought one in Primark for £6, but it was nowhere near as thick as this. And these have butterflies on, which I thought made them a bit different. So these ones were £12. They also had the matching wreaths in 2 different colours. Let me know what you think about having butterflies on there. They were £28. They were not LED. I think last year they had light up ones, but they were very full and chunky, so I did quite like them. If you want something a bit more neutral though, they did have these more natural whites. Really nice different colour pumpkins, and again nice and thick, and they were £28, and I did like those. They also had in this collection this one with a beaded top. Now I'm going to be completely honest with you, I didn't like it. They hadn't really unpacked them very well. I think they needed sort of sprucing up a little bit, but they were £28, which I thought was quite expensive for just a bit at the bottom. But let me know what you think. They're a bit of a modern twist. Let me know. I'm back from Matalan. This is my purchase. It's all I bought. I'm going to be honest, I wasn't blown away with it. I was expecting more. The stuff was nice quality. It was okay prices. It's kind of, I think, in the middle. It's above Home Bargains and B&M, but below Next prices. So there were some nice bits. I did really like that ceramic pumpkin, but I thought I just don't need another one. There was lots of cushions, lots of bits. It was nice, but I just didn't buy anything. I bought this, which is pumpkin pie, and it smells amazing. So I thought that was a really nice little can of £2.50. So that was nice. So yeah, if you are going to Matalan, have a look. It was a little bit all over the place as well. There wasn't really one sort of area. And I didn't buy any of the tea towels. I bought one last year, and I also bought an oven glove that's got pumpkins on last year. So they were nice and very affordable. So probably worth a look, but I just didn't buy very much. So that was that. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I've got lots more autumn content coming, and check out my other videos if you haven't seen them already. I've got those. Very much for watching, and I shall see you on the next video.